In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a Coda EO doc to the web. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make your doc publicly accessible. Choose the right level of interaction and set a clean, shareable link that matches your brand or project. Start in your doc and look to the upper right corner for the Share button. That's your gateway to publishing. Click it to open the sharing dialog. At the top of that dialog, you'll see a globe icon. This is the Publish area, where you control how your doc appears on the web. Click the globe to switch into the Publish settings. If this is your first time publishing, you may be prompted to create your public maker profile. Go ahead and click Create Profile, then choose a public username and basic profile details. This helps people recognize your work across published docs, and you can always adjust it later if your branding changes. Next, set how people can interact with your published doc. You'll see three modes: View, Play, and Edit. View is read only, perfect for documentation, portfolios, or policies where you want a stable, unchangeable reference. Play allows visitors to interact with controls and explore, but their changes aren't saved to the original doc. Great for demos, calculators, or templates you want people to try without affecting your source. Edit is fully collaborative and saves changes to the doc, which is powerful for open collaboration but requires trust and careful moderation. Pick the mode that matches your goal and risk tolerance. Decide whether you want your doc to be discoverable. Turning discoverable by anyone on allows search engines to index your doc so it can be found publicly. If you prefer to keep it hidden from searches and only share it with people you send the link to, turn this off. Remember, discoverability doesn't affect who can open the link. It just controls whether it shows up in search results. Now customize your published URL. Choose a clean path like coda.io/yourname/yourdoc. Keep it short, readable, and aligned with the doc's purpose. This makes it easier to share and remember. When everything looks right, click Publish Doc. Your doc goes live immediately using the settings you selected. After publishing, copy the link and test it in a private or incognito window to confirm the viewer experience matches your intent. If you spot something off, return to the Publish settings to adjust interaction mode, discoverability, or the URL slug. And before you share widely, scan your doc for sensitive content you don't want on the public web. That's it, you've published your Coda doc to the web with confidence.